Some people like their hairy locks and others don't. Some call it frizz, others call it hairy locks. This video is for my locticians. Fellow locticians, how do you incorporate these loose strands into the lock? Do you wrap them around like this? I find that wrapping them around the hair, it just comes right apart. The next time I see the client, I see all that flying hair all over the lock. So what is the best way to make sure that their lock looks clean and not so frizzy? What's your method? Let's go to the next one. Are you the next one? What do you do? So in this one, do you just ignore all that hair and then go about your business and interlock the hair? Just do your interlocks? Is that what you do? Like in this case? Well, we're not completely done. After interlocking the hair, the next step is to take the crochet latch hook, a very tiny one, and incorporate all this frizz, all this loose hair into the locks. So are you that type of girl? Is this what you do? What are you? What do you do? Share that below. Tell us, what kind of loctician are you? Do you just ignore and let the hair just do its thing because you let nature take its course? That's okay too. Hey, which kind are you? Share it with us. Okay, let's compare. Of course, in comparison, the second one looks better. The first one will come apart. The second one is really intertwined into the lock. That shouldn't come apart that easy. So of course that looks better. And this is the third one. Wrap the hair around and then go ahead and interlock. After you're done interlocking, the next step is to grab the hair, wrap it around again, and use the locksmithing method to try to incorporate all that loose hair into the main lock. So what kind of girl are you? Are you method 1, method 2, or method 3? Leave your comments below. Tell us what you do. Hope you enjoyed this video.